you're in debt. Tell me this, if you were set right now with your lady in your bed, naked between your arms to do whatever you want, choose which one would please you more. Someone brings you 1,000 marks and says to you, an ebel if you got up and from them moved yourself away, I'd give them to you. But I want it to be like this, that never night or day with her would you be again, alone or in company, in the name of love. And choose which one it is, don't hide behind courtesy, because whichever one you take, I know well which one you'd want, and which one would please you more. You ask me this like a desperate man, and like a man who would commit wickedness for the sake of having it. But about me, I want you to know, if someone brought me all the wealth I'd put my hand to, if one could even find it. From her where beauty lives and gaiety and company, my faithful heart would not part, nor could I do it for anything that exists. I would rather be joyfully in debt than rich and wicked, for I am rich as long as I am joyful, and I am joyful when I see my lady, because without her I would not live night or day. You should know this. And so what are you asking me, except by what means I would kill myself?